Hey Tara, Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Just wanted to get you this video sent over showing you some of the things that I see. I'm going to show you what it is that Google is looking for to rank your site for these keywords that people search for around bail bonds and the services you guys provide. It's really three things that they're looking for, and it's content on your website. It's 1,500 words minimum is what we found works really well. Sometimes it's a little bit more content than that based on how many keywords we're going after. Is it keyword rich? So does it have these actual search terms in it that people search for? And is it set up just so that it is educational for your customer, easy to navigate? Is there, things on there that AI can pick it up because of how AI searches now? So we're doing that in a little bit different way now. But all of those things work together on the content side, in addition to just sort of representing you guys well as far as who you are and have the services that you want to provide for your customers. So content is king. That's the first thing. That's the foundational piece of your website that you have to do. The second thing is what we call backlinks. So these are external websites where we're putting a blog post or a news article or something like that. And that's going to link back to your website. There's going to be a little word, a keyword phrase on there that is actually going to link back to your website. It's going to pass some power to First Step and push it up in the search ranking. So that's the second piece. The third piece is helps us on our Google business profile, helps us on the website, just trying to build a big footprint to strengthen the website overall and your GBP to, again, push that up. And that is what we call citations. So this is your name, address, and phone number listed on online directories. And we build all of those on the front end and then continue to build those over time. So that's really it as far as like the what we do, how we do on the website side. All about the content, all about the backlinks. Are they stronger backlinks? It's not necessarily a quantity game, but are they relevant to the services that you guys provide and that sort of thing. So Google's trying to figure out who to rank as the authority, and we want that to be you. Now, looking at just how people search right now, I just pulled up a few things. Bail bonds, payable AR. I'm sure there's some bail bonds, just general bail bond services, those sort of things. Who is pulling up in it right now? You've got Spencer, you got Bryce's, and First Arkansas bail bonds all pulling up the map section. That's location based, but it's also there's some optimization things you have to do. There's some photos you have to post. You have to be frequently posting in addition to getting those reviews. So it's not just a review game. There's other things that you have to do there on a consistent basis to get that ranking to stay up there. Now you see bailbondsfayetteville.com down here from Spencer in the organic section. You've got Yelp and you got Fair Deal down here as well. So that organic section is going to be based a lot on those backlinks to push that up in those search rankings, in addition to the content on there. So let's look at your website as far as like just, this is Little Rock, I understand. You can see bail bond again, Arkansas, that's a keyword there. There's another keyword, Arkansas bail bond. Those are things that you've got to have content built around that, but you can see that there's just not enough of those reflected on their site to really be real super strong, even down in the Central Arkansas market. So I dropped that website in here just so you can see what's going on. You can see this 2.4, that's really low on the domain rating, and a 6 on the URL rating. It's being picked up for 10 keywords. Algorithm of Google has dropped off 58 of those keywords last month. Some of those may come back, but the traffic is really showing me that those keywords are not really valuable because there would be a big change in this traffic. So 17 people are hitting that Little Rock site. It's pretty low from what I would like to see, especially in that larger market. They have 187 backlinks coming through 40 different locations. And you can see that, they see those referring domains are ticking up, but it's not really affecting their traffic because they're just not real relevant backlinks. So if I look at what keywords they're being found for, there's only, those 10 or so. 24-hour bail bonds company, they get searched 60 times a month. Bail bonds Roosevelt, First Arkansas bail bonds, there's a name. Arkansas First bail bonds, another name. First Arkansas bail bonds. It's not a lot of search volume around that, even in being in position 7. Cheap bail bonds near me, 250 searches a month. Now that's a national keyword, so that's going to be something that gets searched widely across, so that's not all right here in our backyard. But let's look at like who's ranking number 1 and just kind of their website. So most reputable bail bonds companies in Arkansas, they're kind of speaking about reputation. Do you need a bail bondsman? Just kind of just like, hey, there's some little emotional things being written in here. That's good as far as like the content, the way that they're writing that. Also just fast, affordable, street. So these are all things that are important to the emotional side of your company and the person that's trying to go through this process of getting bail. And in that content, you can create those keywords so that it does start to push up for specific things. So if I drop their website into here, this program, it's again a really small 0 domain rating. These backlinks are not doing anything for them. They do have Bail Bonds Fayetteville in their URL, so that is going to help them, and that's going to really push some of that traffic to them. They're only getting 10 traffic off of 4 keywords. Let's look at those. Bail Bonds Fayetteville AR gets searched 30 times a month. They're getting 4 of that traffic. Bondsman Fayetteville AR 20 searches a month, 3 of that traffic. Bail Bonds Bail Near Me 70 searches a month. So you can see how people search things in different ways. We just want to make sure all those keywords are put on there. 70 searches a month. They're only getting 2 of that traffic, being in position 11. So and then they're getting some off of just their name. Looking at this fair deal, they've got some scam alert things on here, some ways to make a payment and bond forms and stuff. Those things might be applicable to. No content hardly at all, but they have a pretty robust website just with some other content in it. And they have some backlinks that are showing up, 323 coming through 44 locations, and they've got some that's passing some strength to them. So that's giving them a little bit more traffic. 18 traffic coming to their website. 5 organic keywords are being found. So there's probably other keywords that they could be going after. 30 searches a month. They're getting 9 of that traffic. So you can see they're getting, almost 30-40% of that traffic just being in number 2 coming to them. Bail Bond Services, 150 searches a month. They're getting 7 off of that. So you definitely want to. That's a more national keyword. Again, Bail Bonds Service, 700 searches a month. They're in 23rd position. They got 1 traffic off of that. So these national keywords, like we want to get that content on there and build some links to that to try to pick those up. It's going to be super helpful to get some of that traffic coming your way. And that's really it as far as like what I wanted to show you as far as what we're doing, how we're doing. It's all about content, backlinks. There's definitely some search going on. I think it's definitely worthwhile to go after that. If there was a whole lot more search on there, I think there would be no question in going after that. But there's probably some nuanced ways of picking up that search from just some bail bondsmen near me. People probably search this in a way that is a little bit, might be Washington County, might be just bail bonds by itself. So those are the ways that you do that. Content, backlinks, citations, doing all those things is going to boost you up in the search rankings. If this is something that is, feels appealing to you, I'd love to talk to you further about it. I am going to send you over what I feel like the cost would be for to create this for you for this Northwest Arkansas site, and see if we can drive some more traffic to you. I think also ranking in that Google Business Profile is going to be super important. So again, my name is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing, and you can reach me at 479-326-7899. Thanks.